Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the Zoom meeting backgrounds by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Zoom application, and after that you can see that there will be like 5 sections down here. So to change the video background, you just need to go click this 3 small dots with the more text on it, and after that you just need to like scrolling down until you found a setting section. And in the settings sections, you just need to make sure that you are visit the meetings. And in these meetings, you need to focus on the video, and there will be a backgrounds and effect on the third row, and then you just need to go click it. And you will have an access into the Zoom's camera, and you can see that here is the camera, and here is the place that will show or that your face will be shown. And now you just need to go click or scrolling down until you found the backgrounds here. So to add a new background, you just need to go click this plus button, and you will have an access into your gallery, and you just need to choose which background that you want to use for the Zoom. And after that, now you already got the background, and here is the look letter. You can see. So that is the way, guys, how to change the background on Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.